Alright, go. Alright, stop. Really going anything over 30 miles an hour is just fucking scary at this point. But we're gonna get her home. Okay. No, wrong one.